So here's how to center text in a table in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple, guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the table like this. You need to select the table, and then from the upper side you will need to go to the home tab, and then simply you will find the text alignment center option. So you need to select that, and the text will be in the center. But here is the problem, guys. If your table has different sizes like this, then the center alignment will not work perfectly. As you can see, the center alignment is not actually in center, it is in top center, but we want it into the middle. So how you can do that? Again, for that reason you need to select the whole table. You need to tap on the table layout. All right, so here is the table layout, select that, and then from here is the alignment. You need to align into the middle like this, and now boom, now you can see the text is in center. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.